So I'm going to, or want to, head out and do a little bit of metal detecting today with my T2SE Technetics detector. But we run into an issue. And the issue is, I need a new battery. So, the only way I can jump start this piece of crap is with hooking up my battery charger to this battery, which actually holds somewhat of a charge but not enough to really start. Run jumper cables to that battery, wait for it to charge a little bit, and then fire it up. And the reason being is, if I just hook up the battery charger to this battery, the electronics box goes wonky. So I'm gonna have to fire it up and move this detector. Fire it up, and then when I go get the new battery, I'm gonna have to, well, I can shut it off because I'll bring my tools and I'll just swap the battery out right in the parking lot. So let's see if we can get her started, shall we? How much of a charge we got coming up there? We'll see. Come on. No, not enough yet. Well, I guess while we're waiting for it to charge up, I can unload some of this scrap I got. This cable is in my dumpster at work, and I love it because I work for a trucking outfit, and they just throw shit away when it doesn't work right anymore. So that's a good grip right there. Got a few microwaves I've scrapped out. What else? Oh, this big hunk of cast aluminum and some brass. Alright, we'll get that apart. Oh. Yeah, gotta love it. Gotta love it. I'll set that there. I don't know. Should we try it? This is just garbage now. This was off of off my fuel tank because I had to drop the tank and put in a new fuel pump, and I couldn't get the tank back up with this side shroud on it. It's just a rock protector, but whatever. Lasts another year, it's good. This truck's beat anyway because my other truck here, and but the problem with it is it's a Hemi, but buddy transfer case is gone in it, and it's an all-wheel drive truck, so it's always in four-wheel drive, pretty much, not like totally, but pretty much, and it makes a crap load of noise when I drive it. It's like it's gonna fall apart. So it's bloody hot out today. So I gotta get it fixed, and then this thing can sit. Where are we at? Hey, oh come on. Oh, stupid. Stay idling. Oh. Well, we'll do this, eh? Oh, you piece of shit. There, that'll keep idling. Put a big fan on it. So with that running, positive off first so you don't screw it up. And that is that. These nice cables, they're huge. Like 10 feet long. But I got them free out of a dumpster place I delivered to. So that's cool. We're running. That's gonna sit up here for now. Plug it. Well, we're off. Go get some gas. And, yeah. Go get a new battery. Bad thing about blind driveways, you start turning out of them and all of a sudden somebody just shows up. And now, the guy's following me. Well, we're on our way to the big city to go get a battery. And this here is all industrial park. Just the back way into the city or town. But up here there is nothing but industrial businesses, and I got a lot of wire out of their dumpsters before. So I want to Scrap Vulture gave me the idea. And that was to go out on my mountain bike and with a basket on the back, the tote. See, there's a bunch of industrial area all back up in there. All here. There's all sorts of dumpsters back there. You got a lot of wire out of there. Probably just said that, but but yeah. Scrap Vulture gave me the idea. And that makes it nicer rather than running around in your truck. If people want to freak out about it, well, they ain't getting your plate number at least. Right? Anyway, going down to Canadian Tire to swap out a battery in their parking lot. I grabbed a little lawnmower battery to exchange for environmental fees, otherwise I have to pay an extra 20 bucks that I don't want to pay. It's bull. Oh yeah, that's good. Well, here we are. Blowing up. This is Big Canuck Tire. Woo! Is Canadian Tire, where we got all sorts of crap, and it's busy as shit. If I could get this is just a morbid thought, but if I was able to take every battery cable off of every vehicle here. There's 2 of them on each vehicle. Man, that would be a whack load of copper. So here's the little battery I'm going to bring in for the environmental fee. And I sure hope that it all works out, because otherwise we're stuck. Alright, I'll get back to you in a minute. Well, there we are. Brand new battery. Certified. Certified junk, but $119 with the trade-in. So that's alright, I guess. Right? Why not? So we will swap this battery out, and hopefully we're rolling. Well, brand new battery, roped in and tied. 5 minutes, and we'll see what happens, shall we? Cross your fingers. Oh, heaven! Delicious. And what do we got here? This camera sucks. $111 total. And I don't have macro or micro or whatever. $111. Sucks ass. I don't know if you read that. Probably not. See if I zoom out. $11.99. And yeah, so that little battery I had, took it in. I get $20 for it. I've got another one of these coupons at home I forgot to bring in because I got another old battery at home. Look at all that junk. I got another old battery at home that I can bring in and get $20 back for it with my receipt. So yeah. Ever had your hood come flying up on you? I have. So this piece of shit doesn't lock properly. Right on. $100 and away. Let's go look for some scrap. Bye. So this is a big ass thrift store. It's called Church's. It's run by the church, obviously. But you find super cheap shit in here. Found silver and wire and stuff in here that was like total payday. So let's go have a look. So we just found 2 seats, and they are in mint condition, and they're Triumph seats. For Triumph motorcycle. Somebody put $4 and $5 on that one. But they are mint. So these were in a second-hand store. What do we got? A bunch of junk there, mostly. Oh, nothing there. Shows pretty bare. Right, well, I couldn't talk very loud in the store, but I picked up these 2 Triumph motorcycle seats. This one, maybe you can see it there. Triumph Somebody wanted $5 for it at a garage sale, but it ended up in Church's. The things are like brand spanking new. Wipe them off. This is a pussy pad. Somebody wanted $4 for that, and there it is again. Triumph. So I got both of these seats for I'll show you. Right there. $2. Church's in Seminole. These are going on eBay. I'll bet you again. I don't know. I haven't even bothered to look them up yet, but I'm thinking anywhere from $50 to $100. Sweet. So, unfortunately, being that this is a fairly small town, and all the towns around us, or as well around me, are fairly small, we don't have the greatness of collection days for household rubbish and garbage and recycling. You know, for people to throw everything out on the curbs, and the city comes around and scoops it all up, but then you could have your first pick if you wanted, if you get there on time. The bigger cities have it, like you know, Vancouver, where I used to live, where I grew up in North Vancouver, but not around here, so it's kind of crappy. Because you got to find all your copper and scrap the old-fashioned way. Got to really hunt for it. Yeah. There's another blonde who likes to cut corners. Anyway, we're just going to cruise around and see if we can't find any garage sales. Oh, what's that? No, that's building sale. Not a sale, but building work crew. Looked like garage sale, but it wasn't. So yeah, just having a tour. We didn't get to go metal detecting because it was way too hot today, and after the battery thing and coming home, kind of relaxed a bit, and yeah, so I'm gonna scrap out one of these ballast, show you what's in one of these. These are the ones I got like a whole ton of. And then I'm going to show you how I bust apart these transformers. I will, there's got to be about 7 pounds or 10 pounds of copper in each one of these. Well, probably 7. But yeah, so I will show you what goes on. And yeah, take it from there. So, just some screws on the back and stuff. Bigger is better. Just tin. And that transformer in there, I do believe, is just aluminum. Yep, bummer. We'll just take the screws out. these pointy screws, right? These pointy screws are awesome for flattening tires. So make sure they go in your driveway. And once this is separated, that is all aluminum, but that's steel. So we use these. I love these things. Maybe that. Yep. These are good little bolts to keep washers, all that good stuff. Now that is just a solid piece, probably a pound right there of aluminum, painted, but I don't know what I get for that dirty aluminum, maybe, but it's a pound. And then we got all this. Ah, damn it, I forgot my cutters. I'll be right back. Okay, cutters. So what we'll do, we'll just cut these off, because we got a whole bunch of wire. I'm not going to need that plug. So we'll just hack that off. I don't think we'll need those plugs either, because I got a ton of them. So we'll just hack the wire off. Good switch. Those are expensive. So we're going to keep that switch. And these are dangerous. So the cap's on them, so it's pretty safe. But yeah, you don't want to touch both of them together, or you could get a good zap. Put that there. So now we got a bunch of wire, and that there is a starting capacitor. No good. No good for nothing. That's too small. We're gonna need that one. We do. Yeah, we do. Just comes off like that. And we can get rid of these little screws down in here, because they are what's holding this plate on, which is what do we got here? No, too big. Back to this one. These are just bolts for the feet that are on it. Never have too many nuts and bolts. Now, what size is that? Not too big. That's the one. I don't know if we'll get at it with this though. I'm gonna have to use this. cut this wire back at the transformer. This wire is copper, so we're going to keep that, but that's just tin. Oh, get a wire, not a lot, but hey, every little grip counts, right? Oh no. Can I get it with that? I don't believe. That's what I needed. Just a little extension. Now we can get down there farther. Oh, look at that. Oh, other way. There's now another piece of aluminum, probably a pound. Get rid of the bowl. These are good little feet, actually. So that's what we get out of that. That's probably, how do you know what? That's about maybe 3 pounds. So that's pretty good. Of aluminum. And then we got this bad boy, and unfortunately I do believe that these are all aluminum, cheap Chinese ones. I don't get it why they would do that, but just to show you. Right there. That's aluminum. Right there. So, I think that's probably because these are aluminum, and these are heavy melt, as the way they are. Just going to end up taking them in whole and see what I get, because they're probably 25 pounds a piece. So if I get, 10 cents, 15 cents a pound, 30 some odd of them, that's some money. So out of that we get a bunch of screws, our aluminum, a little bit of wire, a handle if you want to use it for something. If not, it's junk. And the transformer. So, that's that. Now, on to the next one. Clean up these screws here. And washers and bolts. Okay. Now, these bad boys. Start clipping the wire off of them. These are probably no good. Not even good for scrap. Good for crap, but not for scrap. Just off the one, there we got a grip of wire and transformer. Now the way I bust into these is really simple. I will take you down on the ground and show you. Okay. Now, what do we got going on there? Uh-oh. These might be crap. Key wrap. I don't know. It shouldn't be. Well, we'll see how it goes. Shall we? Make a move, everybody make a move. Come on, open up the door for the hot bunk food with the... Oh yeah. Hatchet and a BFH. Hopefully this will do the trick. Just smack it on the welds up here. Oh yeah. And she breaks apart like that. Same on that side. I think it was Jack the Scrapper showed me this one. Come on. It's coming. There. So, that comes off like that. And like that. Holy. Might be able to get away with heavy melt on that. I don't know. But now you say, how do I get that out of there? I will pop those out. Couple more big pieces. Yeah, we might be able to get these ones like that. If this doesn't work, I have to what could I use here? I need a couple bricks is what I need, but I can use this and how high is that? Sorry guys, forgot I needed a stand. Come on. One sec. Okay, so what we'll try to do here is set these just in like that. And pop that right out of there. Kinda. There. There's one, yeah, that's a good solid hunk. And now it's not high enough, so we gotta flip it up. And just like that, one. Oh, come on. Holy, that's a good one. So, these are both solid copper. That's about 7 pounds. And this, that can go as heavy melt. That can go as heavy melt. That's beautiful probably number 3 copper, I think, or something, but still, it's more money way more money than if it was still on here. And beautiful copper color. Look at that. Yeah, doggy. Yeah, baby. I love that shit. And that took all, what, 10 minutes for that right there. Say 7 pounds at $2.20 a pound. So, 7 So, yeah, 15 bucks. 15, 16 bucks for 10 minutes work, 15 minutes work. Not a bad wage. Alright guys, thanks for checking it out today. Hope you didn't get too bored. Peace. See ya.